The next command is htop. Just like top, htop will also produce the statistical results for the processes running on the Linux system. Let us begin. How does it look like? Htop. One more important thing. Htop is not available by default on your system. You will have to add number one EPL repository and then you will be able to install. How to enable the EPL repository? It can be done yum -y install EPEL release. Fine, press enter and it will add the EPL repository. I already have added this one. I already have installed this one, therefore no need. Now as a next task, search for the htop. Yum search htop. So this is htop name and you can install it with the yum command, yum -y install htop. I already have installed, therefore nothing will be done. Fine. After installing the htop, you can run the command to show the running processes. Almost the same results which are comparable to top command. Here is the CPU usage, here is the memory usage, here is the swap usage. 0 out of, okay? And number of total tasks, average load and uptime. In the bottom lines you can see the running processes. Fine, and you can see the main page. Now we shall use a different command, info htop. You can display the same help with main command also. So this is the option and almost same options. Fine. Let us do something on this side. Press Q to quit it. We want to display the user, display the jobs, display the process owned by a user Imtiaz. htop -u Imtiaz. Here are the processes running by the user Imtiaz. Fine. And once again you need to press Q key on your keyboard to stop this command. If you want to run this command for specific number of repetitions, you can use htop -n. I say perform only 3 repetitions and the job should be owned by user root. Yes, -n option is not available here. Okay, it will not work. -c, -h, -p, -s, -u. Okay, so -n is not working with this one. Almost everything is same as you have seen in the top command. For more options, here are the options. You can watch them. If you want to display the version, -v, and for long options you can use --version. For example, htop and -v. Display the version. Similarly, you can use the long option like this. Fine. And if you want to display the help, htop -h or -help. So these are the options. If you want no colors, then you can use the -c option, htop -c. htop -c. So now there are no colors. The difference is this one. You will see some colors with htop without -c, and with c you will see no colors. And if you want to display the processes by process ID, you can do it. For example, let us see some processes. This is the process 1591. We want to see only single process, htop -p, and p is 1529. Only this process will be shown. So we can display the process with respect to their process ID using -p option. And if you want to display the process of specific user, you can use -u option followed by the username. And if you want to sort, you can sort with the columns as well. So this was the htop command.